What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be juicing together. I'm going to show you a few juices that you can make at home for clear skin. I've just started juicing and I'm telling you, I saw differences after one day. So we're going to be making some juices together. I'm also going to show you guys the book that I learned this from. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the video. So to start off with the book, this is the book that I got that started the whole juicing thing. And this is called The Juicing Bible. Let me get a little close. The Juicing Bible. And it has a section in here, like a whole section for skin conditions. And so the thing for me, I was looking at, I was like, okay, so for me, I know that your skin is a reflection of what you take inside your body. And that doesn't apply to you though when you're taking Accutane, because Accutane makes pimples out of nothing. But your skin is a reflection of what you're putting into your body. So for me, I've always had a pretty good diet, you know, but it wasn't 100%. So my sister juices and she's like holistic and she's like on another level and her skin is so clear. But I still struggle with acne here and there. I've got a lot of scars, we're taking care of the scars, but I wanted the pimples to actually completely cease to exist. So I got this book because her skin is glowing and I started reading it, and there's a table of contents in here, which is where I kind of found what was the best book for me on Amazon. And in the table of contents, there's a whole skin conditions section. And I've literally gone through it and I've highlighted it and I've gotten the list of the juices that are for your skin and I've tabbed them all right here. Now, once you get more advanced, you can start doing other things, like there's all kinds of conditions that you can cure by juicing because of the amount of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients there are in vegetables and fruit. And we don't use them, you know, in our day-to-day lives. We just kind of get whatever's convenient, and juicing is hard, okay? It's a lot of pulp to clean up. This machine is kind of scary sounding, but it's okay. So back to the book, there's a skin conditions part and it talks about acne, dry skin, psoriasis, and rosacea. So if you have these conditions, you might want to check this book out. And even if you're just trying to be healthier and have glowing skin, this book has so many good juicing recipes. Like they've got diabetes juices, heart problem juices, constipation juices, aging, if you're like worried about aging, AIDS and HIV, like there's so many recipes in here. Cancer, nervous system, immune system. It's like a wealth of knowledge. So we're gonna make one of these juices today and I'm gonna show you guys how it's done, and I wanna show you guys what I do at home. So there's a few skincare juices that I like. Some of them are easier than others, you know, some of them are interesting, but we're gonna make today, we are going to do this one. I've already picked it out. It's called beet juice. So we got 2 beets, 2 carrots, and 2 apples. It's the easiest one you can do at home. That's why I chose it for you guys, because a lot of us don't have too much time. Juicing already takes time because you have to clean up and stuff like that. So I wanted to make it as easy as possible. So here I've got everything. I've got gala apples. I'm gonna take 2 apples and rinse them off. 2 carrots, and I don't cut off the ugly part because there's just so much like nutrients and like calcium and stuff in there that I feel like it's good to eat that part. And also for the beets, I leave the leaves on as well. Everything is clean and we're gonna start juicing. This thing is super loud, so I just wanna say, make sure you rinse off everything before you juice. As a newbie, I didn't really know that, and I made beets like just out of the bag and it was really dirty. Like literally there was dirt on them. So you live and you learn, and now I wash all my veggies. So let's do this. Oh, and also use a big cup because you never know how much you're gonna use or how much it's gonna create. So you don't want your juice to like flow over and just be terribly like a big mess, because this stuff stains. That's also why I'm wearing like a dark outfit, because this red beet juice is crazy. So let's do this. Yum, yum, yum. Look how pretty this is. Look at it, it's like sherbet ice cream. It's like so pretty. So then I would just take a tall glass and just pour it in here. Ugh. There's so much juice. This is what I mean. Like, you have to use a Pyrex, I swear, because it's just so much juice. And then you just drink it, you know? It's really good. The apple is like a really nice contrast to the carrots and the beets, because carrots are like, they're not my favorite, and neither are beets, but I like apples. So also, all of these ingredients, if you Google apples for your skin, carrots for your skin, beets for your skin, you will find all three of these vegetables and fruits are so good for your skin. So I got this book on Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below. I'll also leave the link to this juicer down below. I know it's gonna be Black Friday, like next week, so if you're like interested in trying juicing for yourself, wait till it's on sale. Like, don't go buy your juicer just like super quickly. Try to see if you can get a good deal on Amazon, and then get this book. Like, literally, my skin has been so much better, so much brighter, just healthier looking after the first juice I ever drank. And honestly, it did make me sick the first time I drank a juice, because I felt like it was just, I don't know, I was just so unhealthy or something before. I was like so overloaded with like vitamins and nutrients. I was like, oh my God, I feel nauseous. But yeah, this is it, you guys, and this is something that I do. I'm gonna be doing this daily, and I'm actually gonna be making a video like 7 days of juicing my skin before and after, so you guys can see that it really does work. So yeah, cheers. All right, so get out there, make some juice, take care of your skin and your body. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.